We've all daydreamed about striking it rich, having the freedom to indulge in our desires, and living without the constant worry of finances. But is there more to wealth than just money? Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past. It sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Well, today, we're going to explore the true essence of being rich. It's not just about a hefty bank balance. It's about finding fulfillment and joy in every aspect of life. In this video, we'll delve deep into what it truly means to be wealthy. We're talking about a richer way of living, one that emphasizes balance, meaningful goals, and understanding that genuine richness comes from happiness and contentment, not merely counting dollars and cents. So, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to smash that like if you're ready to supercharge your journey towards living a richer, more meaningful life. Let's dive in. What money can and can't do. Think of money like a tool, just like a hammer in a toolbox. Money is really good at helping with everyday problems. It pays for important things like your bills, groceries, and a place to live. These things make you feel safe and less worried about life's challenges. But there's something important to know. Money has limits. It can't buy some of the most special things in life like love, real friendship, or a sense of purpose. Those things come from different places. Money can buy things that make you happy for a little while, like a new car or a vacation. But that happiness often doesn't last very long. The true and lasting happiness comes from inside you and from the meaningful connections you have with other people. So, while money is helpful for many things, it can't replace the wonderful feelings you get from love, friendship, and a sense of purpose in life. Finding the right balance. Sometimes people get so caught up in trying to make more and more money. They want bigger houses, fancier cars, and always set new goals. But this can become a never-ending cycle that leaves you feeling empty, like running on a treadmill that goes nowhere. Now, what's important is understanding what enough means to you. It's different for everyone. For some, it might mean having enough money to not worry about bills. For others, it could mean having time for hobbies or spending quality moments with loved ones. Knowing your own enough helps you avoid constantly chasing more money. It's like finding a balance between what you need and what you want. Remember, life is not just about making money, it's also about enjoying the journey. Take time to appreciate the small, happy moments, spending time with family and friends, and the beauty of nature. Money can make life comfortable, but it can't replace these special experiences that make life truly rich. Why your body matters. Think of your body like a car that carries you through life's journey. Just as you make sure your car stays in good shape with regular checkups, you should also look after your body. When your body is healthy, everything in life becomes easier, like going to work and spending time with your loved ones. To keep your body healthy, here are 2 important things to remember. Exercise regularly. This doesn't mean you have to exercise to lose weight or get big muscles. It's more about moving your body, whether it's by walking, biking, or dancing. Doing this helps your mind feel clear and gives you more energy. Eat the right foods. Think of your body as needing the right kind of fuel, just like your car needs the right type of gasoline. Eating healthy and nourishing foods keeps your body running smoothly. It gives you the energy and strength to deal with life's challenges with more energy and vitality. So, taking care of your body is like taking care of your dependable car. It helps you navigate through life easily and enjoy it more. Mind your mental health. Your mind and your body are like best friends, always together. They're connected, so when one isn't doing well, it can affect the other. For example, when you're really stressed or worried, it can make your body feel tired or even sick. But there are simple things you can do to take care of your mind. Spend time with loved ones. Talking to a friend or a family member can make you feel better. It's like having a chat with a friend who understands you. Do things you love. Hobbies like painting, gardening, or playing music can help you relax and forget about stress. It's like taking a break to do something you enjoy. Take a moment to breathe. Meditating or just thinking about your day can make your thoughts calmer. It's like pressing a reset button for your mind. Get help if you need it. If stress or worry feels too big to handle on your own, it's perfectly okay to ask for help from a therapist or counselor. They know how to help with these problems, just like a doctor knows how to treat your body when you're sick. So remember, just like you take care of your body, it's equally important to look after your mind. They work together to make you feel good and healthy, like two best friends supporting each other. Build relationships, not just bank accounts. Imagine your journey to success as a tall staircase, with each step representing a milestone you aim to achieve. Now, some people believe that the quickest way to climb this staircase is by pushing others down, treating success like a race where only one person can win. This cutthroat approach may seem effective in the short term, but it often leads to a lonely and unfulfilling journey. You might reach the top, but you'll find that the view from there isn't as satisfying as you thought, because you left a trail of broken relationships and missed opportunities for meaningful connections. Now, let's explore a more rewarding path, one of collaboration and empathy. Instead of fiercely competing, you choose to work together with others, helping them along the way. It's like building a network of supportive friends who lift each other up. This approach not only benefits you, but also enriches your journey, making it more enjoyable and fulfilling. Here are some practical tips for building these essential relationships. Listen actively. When you engage with people, show genuine interest in what they have to say. Actively listening means paying close attention to their thoughts, ideas, and feelings. It's like valuing their perspective and showing respect for their input. Offer help. Be ready and willing to help others, even if you don't expect an immediate return on your efforts. This is similar to being a good friend who supports others when they need it. Helping someone else succeed can create a bond of trust and gratitude. Be trustworthy. Trust is the foundation of any meaningful relationship. You can build trust by being honest, consistent in your actions, and maintaining integrity in your interactions. Trust is like the glue that holds strong and lasting relationships together. So, instead of solely focusing on accumulating wealth in your bank account, consider the value of building connections and friendships. It's like filling your life with happiness, support, and shared experiences, not just with money. This approach not only makes your journey more enjoyable, but also contributes to a richer and more meaningful life. Success becomes more than just a destination. It becomes a rewarding and fulfilling journey with others by your side. Discover your why. Achieving financial success is like going on a significant journey with a clear destination. Your why, the reason behind your pursuit of financial success, is like the foundation of your journey, providing you with a deep sense of purpose and motivation. Your why transforms your financial goals into a mission with meaning, turning wealth into something more than just money. Your why can take various forms, rooted in your personal dreams and values. It might be driven by a desire to provide better opportunities for your family, or to pursue a dream project like starting a business or writing a book. Many find their why in the idea of financial freedom, allowing them to live life on their terms without constant financial worries. These reasons become the driving force behind your journey, offering a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Discovering your why brings clarity to your financial objectives, acting as a guiding compass through the complexities of your journey. When you know precisely why you're pursuing financial success, it becomes easier to make informed decisions, set priorities, and stay motivated. Your why serves as a constant reminder of your purpose, enabling you to stay on course, even when faced with challenges or moments of doubt. Challenges and uncertainties are inherent in any journey towards success. However, when your journey is anchored by a strong and meaningful why, it becomes a source of resilience. It provides determination and strength during difficult times. Your why reminds you of the profound purpose behind your pursuit, motivating you to overcome obstacles and keep moving forward regardless of the circumstances. Discovering your why is a crucial step in your path to financial success. It adds depth, meaning, and direction to your journey, ensuring that your efforts are driven by a purpose beyond merely making money. Your why is the driving force that propels you, keeps you motivated, and helps you face challenges with unwavering determination. It serves as your guiding compass, even when the road ahead is uncertain or difficult. Plan your way. Your journey to financial success is a lot like planning a road trip. You wouldn't hit the road without knowing where you're headed and how to get there, right? So when it comes to your finances, it's essential to have a clear plan. Here's how to make that plan. Start with a clear vision. Think about what being rich means to you. Define your financial goals and be specific about what you want to achieve. Create short-term goals. Instead of trying to do everything at once, break your big financial goal into smaller, achievable steps. Make these steps specific and set deadlines, like what you want to accomplish in the next month, 6 months, or a year. Use tools. Just like you'd use a map or GPS for a road trip, you can use tools like planners, smartphone apps, or even a simple notebook to keep track of your financial progress. This helps you stay organized. Celebrate success. When you reach one of your smaller financial goals, take a moment to celebrate your achievement. It's like pausing during a road trip to enjoy a scenic view. Celebrating your successes keeps you motivated. And remember, you don't have to go it alone. Similar to having a travel companion on a road trip, you can seek guidance from financial experts, mentors, or supportive friends and family. They can provide advice, encouragement, and share their knowledge to make your financial journey smoother. So, planning your way to financial success is like having a clear roadmap with support from others along the journey. Be a leader others look up to. Leadership is a multifaceted concept that transcends mere titles or positions of authority. True leadership is rooted in guiding, inspiring, and offering unwavering support to those under your purview. The path to becoming an exceptional leader lies in the virtues of kindness and integrity. By leading with these qualities, you not only pave the way for your personal success, but also cultivate profound respect and admiration from those who follow your lead. The qualities of empathetic leadership can be distilled into 4 key pillars. Firstly, showing compassion involves the profound ability to empathize with others, understanding their feelings, and demonstrating genuine concern for their well-being. This empathetic approach fosters a sense of trust and camaraderie within your team. Secondly, open communication is vital. As a leader, you should communicate your expectations clearly, providing your team with a transparent understanding of their roles and responsibilities. Furthermore, maintaining an approachable demeanor encourages open dialogue, ensuring that your team feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and concerns. Thirdly, celebrating success is a crucial aspect of empathetic leadership. Acknowledging and appreciating the accomplishments of your team members not only boosts morale, but also reinforces the idea that their contributions are valued and recognized. Lastly, setting an example is pivotal. As a leader, you must embody the values and behaviors you wish to see in your team. By adhering to high ethical standards and consistently demonstrating the qualities you expect from your team, you inspire them to follow suit. The rewards of being a role model in empathetic leadership extend far beyond personal success. It involves the profound satisfaction of knowing that you have made a positive impact on others' lives. Being a role model isn't just about setting examples, it's about opening doors of opportunity, nurturing personal and professional growth within your team, and ultimately, leaving behind a legacy of positivity and inspiration. This legacy ensures that your leadership continues to influence and empower others long after you have moved on, rendering your success as a leader even more meaningful and enduring. Prepare for the battle. Achieving success, especially in the pursuit of wealth, is often compared to embarking on a challenging journey. This journey is not just a physical one, like traveling from one place to another, but also a mental battle, where your mindset plays a crucial role. In fact, it's often said that success is as much about having a strong and resilient mind as it is about having a good plan or strategy. Here's a closer look at how to prepare yourself mentally for the journey to success. Embrace reality. Understand that the path to success is rarely smooth. Just like any journey, there will be obstacles, challenges, and setbacks along the way. Anticipating these challenges and accepting that they are part of the process can make them feel less daunting. It's like knowing that a road trip might have detours or traffic, but you're prepared to handle them. Develop mental strength. Cultivating mental strength is like forging a suit of armor for your mind. It involves building the ability to stay focused on your goals, remaining determined even in the face of difficulties, and maintaining optimism even when things don't go as planned. Think of it as developing the mental resilience to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. This strength enables you to weather the storms that may come your way on your journey to success. Keep learning. Success is not solely about having a rigid plan and sticking to it. It's also about adaptability and continuous learning. Staying curious and open-minded allows you to be better prepared for unexpected twists and turns in your journey. Learning from your experiences and seeking knowledge from various sources equips you with the tools necessary to navigate challenges creatively and effectively. It's like having a versatile toolkit that you can rely on when facing the unknown. In essence, preparing for success involves not only setting goals and making plans, but also fortifying your mental resilience. It's about recognizing that the road to riches will have its share of obstacles, but with a strong and adaptable mindset, you can face and overcome them. Success becomes not just a destination, but a journey of personal growth and development. Cultivate resilience. Cultivating resilience is a vital aspect of achieving success. Instead of seeing failure as the opposite of success, view it as an integral part of the journey. Every setback carries valuable lessons. Embrace these failures, examine them closely, and use them as stepping stones to propel yourself forward. Challenges, often viewed as roadblocks, should be seen as opportunities for personal growth. They test your abilities, helping you discover strengths you may not have realized you possessed. To build resilience, it's essential to stay positive. Surround yourself with positive influences, supportive people, and environments that nurture your growth. Set realistic goals. Aim high while staying rooted in reality. Break down your goals into manageable steps. Keep moving forward. Don't allow setbacks to halt your progress. Adjust your path as necessary, but maintain your momentum. Celebrate progress. Even small victories are worth acknowledging. They boost your confidence and keep you moving toward your objectives. Perseverance is not just about stubbornly pushing ahead. It involves adapting, evolving, and refusing to abandon your dreams. It serves as the engine that propels you closer to your goals and often marks the difference between those who succeed and those who give up. Final thought. Being rich isn't just about having lots of money in your bank account. It's about finding a balance in life, having a clear sense of purpose, being empathetic towards others, and having the strength to bounce back from challenges. Most importantly, it's about understanding what truly matters in life. True wealth goes beyond money. It's about building a strong and clear mind while also having a meaningful purpose in what you do. Let's explore these valuable insights and discover the secrets of real richness, which are not found in money alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.